welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here, and I have my special guests Jack and Sally. I am here to open up the signups for my 13 days of Fright swap. But before I get into the details, I just want to let you know you have to be 18 plus. You have to have crafty videos or crafty Instagram. You have to be US, sorry, international, not this time around. And for when you comment for that you want in or pick me, I want to participate, you must add your Instagram name, because I link you up with your partner through Instagram. Email is a little too hard sometimes because people don't check it very often. So I link you up in a message, partnering you up with your partner on Instagram. So I'm in, pick me, I want in, blah, blah, blah. I am, BB's Crafts, at BB's Crafts on Instagram. Just put your Instagram name in the comment as well. So the swap is going to be postmark due date October 15th. That way you have the ability to open it up. It is 13 days of Fright. So if you want to open one little sector of your things, I'll tell you what it is in a second. If you want to open it up like day by day, if you want to open it all up in one day, otherwise you have enough time to receive it to open it up day by day leading up to the 31st. What are we making, Brittany? I got you. So we will be making my Spellbook Advent, or whatever it ends up being, what you guys decided being. I wanted it to be an even playing field. Some people are like me, where we go above and beyond and we send extra stuff, and then some people just stick like straight to the rule of thumb, like this is all I'm supposed to send, I'm not going to send anything extra. Sometimes that can be very overwhelming for the person who sticks to the rules, because then they start to feel bad that they didn't send anything in addition to. And then also the people who did send their whole entire craft room for their swap, they start to get a little annoyed because their partner did not send them any additional goodies. So I wanted it to be an even playing field. That's why I want everyone to create the book. Of course, you do your own collection, your own style, whatever makes you you. The only thing that I say about it is bring your A game. This is not a newbie swap. So if you're a newbie, this is probably not something I want you to start on. Just not gonna happen. You don't have to create the bubble spine if you don't want to. That is perfectly fine. But I will have the tutorial linked down below. I did post a tutorial not too long ago on how to create this. It has all the information there for you. Just make sure that you put your own unique personal style, your personality, everything, because your main focus will be on the cover, and then the things that you put inside of your boxes. Make sure that you do include the flaps on here. You don't have to do the paper straps like I did. You can do ribbon or whatever makes you happy, but make sure that you do include the flaps and then some type of binding system to hold it in place. Inside the boxes, you could do, embellishments. You can, do things from your stash. I just ask that you at least include 2 store-bought goodies. They don't even have to be crafty related. Just talk to your partner and what you guys want to do. If you end up purchasing something and it's a little too big for the boxes, then go ahead and repackage it up and make it look really, really cute. But the whole factor is that you want it to kind of fit in the box. If you and your partner talk and you say, yo, let's go ahead and do all this extra big shebang, shaboom, pow, 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 then girl or guy, go ahead with your best self. I don't care, but I just want everyone to at least be receiving remotely the same thing, so there isn't any problems, no drama. No one feeling like, oh my gosh, I am, I'm a horrible person because I didn't send them 40 million things. Like, oh my gosh, no, this person did not just sit up there and only send me the swap and not send me 40 million things like I sent them. Like, talk to your partner, please. So again, you know, handmade goodies. You can do edible treats, stuff from your stash, but make sure things are packaged up cute, nice, and neat. Don't be like having garbage and just like sending it in there. And please don't, Lord have mercy, do not put these boxes filled with shred so that you can only put like 2 things in them. Don't do that. Like, don't. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Try to fill the boxes the best way you can. Of course, some things might be too big, might be too small, or whatever. Like, having decorative shred in there is perfectly fine, but don't fill it with the shred and stuff just to take up space, so that way you don't have to put stuff in there. Like, if someone contacts me and says that's what you did, or if I look at the reveal videos or Instagram posts and I see that you did that, I'm blocking you from participating in my swaps, because that is not okay. That's not cool. That's just a big no-no. You should know better than that. Come on now. You know better than that. All right. So again, 18 plus, US only, must have crafty videos or crafty Instagram. When you comment down below that you want to participate, make sure you put in your Instagram name. I do like to look at your videos and your Instagram page so I can part you up with someone who is similar to your crafty style. Postmark date is October 15th. Again, this information will be down below in the description box, as well as the tutorial. And I mean, show out. I want to see what y'all can do. Like, I love seeing how you guys recreate my tutorials. I share them all the time of your creations. Like, I really want to see what y'all do with this. Like, I'm so ecstatic. So thanks so much, guys. Limited spots available, so get to it. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.